Hello student, I Mrs. Pathan Afreen Khan welcome you for online study. So children, what we have learned in first part of our division, that what is division? Making equal lots from a collection of objects is called division. Now we will see the same thing but by another method. Now see page number 70. Subtracting the same number again and again. Now see children. Now what you are looking. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 boxes they have already given us. Now in first box they have given you 8 roses. Now what to do here? From these 8 flowers we shall take away 2 every time. Now what they are doing and what they are telling, you have to listen and you have to see very well. Now see in the next picture, the first time we take away 2 flowers from 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So in second box 6 flowers left. Now what in the third figure they are showing us? Now see, the second time we take away 2 flowers from 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 flowers left. Now in the fourth figure, the third time we take away 2 flowers from 4. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 2 flowers left. So children, in fourth time we take away 2 flowers from 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So no flowers left. In other words, 0 flowers are left. 4 is the maximum number of times that we could take away 2 flowers at a time from 8 flowers. Now they have asked us to solve one example. Now see children, the doctor gave Nandu 15 pills and told him to take 3 pills every day. So how many days does Nandu have to take the pills? Draw pictures as shown above to show 8. Now children, in this word problem, you have to draw the picture and you have to solve this sum as they have shown in above figure. Now page number 71. Now see children, Tai. What Tai is telling? I have brought some jamuns. Now what Tai have brought? She have brought some jamun. Who is present today? Tai is asking that who is present today? Sonu. 3 of us. Salma, Tony and me. Tai. Count these jamun and share them equally among the 3 of you. Now Tai is telling that you are going to count this jamun and you are going to share it equally among 3 of you. Now Sonu. These are 12 jamuns. I will distribute them, giving each one jamun at a time. Now what Sonu is telling, that there are 12 jamuns and he will distribute the jamun, giving each one jamun at the time. Tai, how many did each of you get? Now Tai is asking that how many jamun you are getting? Sonu, each of us got 4. Now what Sonu is answering children, that each of us means there are 3 children and they got 4 jamun. Salma, may I distribute them in a different way? Now Salma is telling to the Tai that may I distribute this jamun in a different way? Tai, certainly. How do you want to do it? Now Tai is asking to Salma that how you will distribute this jamun? Salma, 3 of us have to share them. So I will make groups of 3 jamun. Now Salma is telling that she will make group of 3 jamun. Then each of us will take one from each group. Tony, oh yes, one from each group means 4 jamuns for each of us. Now Tonu is telling that, oh yes, one from each group means 4 jamun for each of us. Tai, And did you notice this? When Selma was making the groups, she was taking away 3 jamun every time. In other words, from 12, she was subtracting 3 again and again. Now, what Tai is telling that in other words, from 12, she was subtracting 3 again and again. Salma, yes, Tai. And when she did this 4 times, no jamuns were left. Now, Tai, so now you must have understood that sharing 12 jamuns equally among 3 or making groups of 3 jamuns from them is the same as taking away 3 jamuns from 12 again and again. The outcome of all these action is the same. Now, page number 72. Tony, yes, Tai. Tai, that is why all these actions are given the same name in mathematics, which is division. So, now you understood, children, that what is division. Now see, what is division? Division means distributing things equally. Division means making equal groups of things. Division also means taking away the same number of things again and again from a certain number of things. So, there are so many definitions of division. Now, Tony, Tai. We know the method of writing a multiplication using a sign. That must be a sign for division too. Now, what Tony is asking to Tai that when we are writing a multiplication using a sign. Now we are using a sign for multiplication. So there must be a sign for division too. So Sonu is asking that there must be a sign of division. Tai. This is the sign for division. This is how we use it. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. It is read as 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Selma, I understood. 4 threes are 12. It means that when we put together 4 groups of 3 things each, we get 12 things. And if we make groups of 3 things using 12 things, the number of groups we get is 4. Tai. Excellent. When making groups of 3, we says the 3 times table up to 12. We come to know how many groups of 3 we can get from 12. When making 3 equal shares out of 12, also we say the 3 times table. When we come to 3, 4 are 12, we know that each one will get 4 things. Now see, children, there are 9 laddus in one box. They have to be shared equally by 4 people. After giving 2 laddus each to 4 people, 1 laddus remains. It means that if we have to give whole laddus, we cannot make equal share. Had there been only 8 laddus in the box, there would be no laddus left over after the equal shares had been made. Sometimes things get left over after making equal shares, containing whole things only. This number of remaining these things is called the remainder. Now see, student, look at the vertical arrangement of the division. Now see, 9 divided by 4. Now how we will divide this number? Now see, 9, number of laddus to be shared. Now how we will divide? Now see, 4. Now we have to tell the table of 4. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Now see, 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8, how? What it remains? 1 it remains. Now what is it? Number of laddus shared. Now then we have shared number of laddus. How many number of laddus we have shared, children? We have shared 8 number of laddus we have shared. Now how many laddus remaining. Now we have divided by 4. So 2 number of laddus in each share. Now how many laddus each one get? Now 2 numbers of laddus each one get. Now we will see the next example, children. 15 laddus were shared among 5 children. Now what they have asked, we have to share 15 laddus among how many children? 5 children. Now see, here 5 is divisor and 15 is dividend. Now how we will share, how we will solve this sum? 5 3s are 15. Now 5 3s are 15. So 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. So 0 0 is remainder. Now what each one get? How many laddus? Each one get 3 laddus. Because 5 3 are 50. The number of laddus that each one get is called the quotient. So what is 3? 3 is quotient. All the laddus are finished. Nothing remains. That is remainder 0. So remainder is 0. Now next example, children. 22 rupees to be distributed equally among 5 people. Now we have to distribute 22 rupees in how many people? In 5 people. Now see, 5 divided by 22. Now 5 is divisor and 22 is dividend. Now how we will divide this number? Now see, we will tell the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 50 and 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. But 25 is a bigger than 22 number. So now what number we will take here? We will take 5 fours are 20. So 2 and this 2 minus 2 0. Now 2 is remainder. Now next. Now see children. 7 divided by 42. Here now we have to tell the table of 7. Now how we will divide this sum? See, 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. So 7 6s are 42. 2 minus 2 0 and 4 minus 4 0. So 0 is remainder. And 6 is quotient. Now see the next. Here we have to divide 8 divided by 64. So 64 is dividend. And 8 is divisor. Now 8 8s are 64. So 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 6 0. So 0 is remainder and 8 is quotient. Now we will go for the next example. Now see children, this example is different. Now see, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So 5 9s are 45. So 7 minus 5, 2, 4 minus 2, 4, 0. So 2 is remainder. This 47 is dividend, 9 is quotient, and this 5 is divisor. So children, I think we have solved so many examples of division. So I think this concept of division is clear to you. Now today's homework. So children, you have to complete exercise of page number 73 in your homework as well as in your classwork notebook. So children, goodbye. Have a nice day.